30 years ago, Professor Arnoldo Hax introduced a new approach to competition that's still used today. I'm MIT Sloan Deputy Dean Michael Cusimano. Hax called his customer-centric approach the Delta model, and it was an alternative to Michael Porter's 5 forces and 2 generic strategies. In the Delta model, one way to compete is with the best product, and best could be related to lower cost or differentiated through quality or technology. A company can differentiate itself by enhancing its products in a way that adds a value for the customer. Or you can compete as a total solutions provider. An organization can increase market value by providing a wider variety of products and services that cover as many customer needs as possible. Or you could have what Arnoldo called a system lock-in and compete that way. Today, I would relate that approach to platform competition or business model competition. So in general, this innovation in technology or business models was an important part of that system lock-in concept. In particular, Arnoldo saw that innovation in technology underpinned the architecture of most new products and services, and particularly how customers responded to them. Innovation protected a firm against imitation from competitors and also from becoming obsolete.